Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and y'all know Mr. Zeus. And today we are bringing you part 2, I guess that's 4, part 2 of Lil Wish Lanterns. Last week we did the small packs and the medium, lantern packs. This week we are bringing you 3 out of the, I believe 4 of the larger lantern, I don't know if you want to say play sets or just kind of, I don't really know what they are. I say, let's open them up. The bottom of the pack has instructions. Oh, I bet that's gonna tell us the thing that came, the Wishamal that's in there, so we won't look yet. And the same map and checklist as the others. All right, so we have our little rainbow friend and our lantern. Oh wait, remove tab. Okay. Now press button. Oh! Oh my god, it just kind of threw a little friend out there. Oh, it's like a lucky horseshoe. I get it. So your little guy goes in there, and then this string, there's probably too many lights to actually see, actually turns the light on and off and will kind of illuminate the little friend like the other little bases did. So yeah, definitely peel off the sides. Well, peeled off a little better than I did. For an all-around really cute little lantern. So yeah, we got Hissa, which I think we got last week, and Nova of the LiQWYD. So let's open up the blue one. No, leave Hissa alone. Why? Why you gotta be a hater? So we have our little elephant friend. The designs of all the lanterns are actually really different in the mold, even down to the little dingle dangle bit. Yes, scientific term, dingle dangle bit. And we're going to press the little button. What just came out? Oh, he didn't come all the way out. Ah! Oh. Oh my god. It's some sort of little tiger with like a little green koala on his head. None of that makes sense, but I love it. So that is Eric, just Eric, the elephant from Courage Cliffs, and please, no! And, oh, Yumi of Friendship Forest. Really? God, what did Yumi the tiger ever do to you? Alright, now to the greenish one. I think this one's kind of my favorite. Alright, so here's our little, very see-through, which is kind of cool, gift present friend. And pull out tab. We'll turn the light on. What is it? Oh, it's the elephant again. So we got Allie of Friendship Forest, which is the gift, and then another Eric. It doesn't name the little critter on his head. Same with Yumi. That makes me sad. So his critters is going to be named Felipe, and his little green bear is going to be Bub. Yes, Felipe and Bub. This one was Happiness. This one was Courage, and this one was Friendship. Overall, these are really cool. Like, I might put some herbs or stones in these and actually hang them somewhere. Like, they are really cute. Now I just kind of want to have a little rave. Well, thank you so much for tuning in this week. And make sure you tune in next week for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. I mean, I guess we'll have to figure out if our wishes come true. Oh god, we didn't make wish. I wish that you're all happy, healthy, and safe. That sounds good. Thank you again, and we will see you next week. Bye! And here we have the large light-up lantern playsets. And here we have our Lil Wish Lantern Rave.